Hello everyone, welcome to Two Guys and a Mouse, the show that gives you all the news, tips, and tricks to get the most out of your Disney vacation. I'm Lance and we're here with Les and we're going to share some quick Disney news coming up next. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So Les and I just found out some breaking Disney news that we'd like to share with you guys. So Les, Disney just made a big announcement, and you want to share that with us regarding the Genie Plus option?
Yeah, so Disney made a really big announcement. I guess it was announced at D23, if I'm not mistaken, a few years ago, that eventually this was going to come out. So it's called Disney Genie service, and then there's another segment to it called the Disney Genie Plus service. So just really quick what it is. If you already go to Disney, or even if you don't, basically Disney has its own app that you put on your mobile device, iOS, Android, whatever, and that helps you do your planning. You can make dining reservations through it. You can do your park reservations. Pretty much everything you can do right through this app. So now Disney Genie is going to come out and be in addition to the My Disney Experience app. And what this is going to allow you to do basically is help plan your day in the parks, right? So you can put in what your interests are going to be for that particular day, and it's going to make some dynamic decisions and use all the information that Disney has at its disposal to basically make recommendations on, hey, you wanted to go on this ride, so we predict that this ride may be best for you to go and try and get in line at 2 o'clock in the afternoon or 7 o'clock at night or whatever. Basically what else? You're going to be able to see waitlist times for restaurants if you don't have a reservation already, quick service mobile order time frames. It's going to have a virtual assistant so you can ask it questions and it'll try and have answers in there for you. And then the Disney Plus is going to kick that up a notch. And the way that it sounds is that unfortunately the fast passes, which have been gone since the pandemic started and the parks closed when the parks reopened last summer, they never brought fast passes back. And the fast passes basically a system that allows you to get to the front of the line on certain rides, like the more popular rides. And a lot of amusement parks have this now. It's called something different, obviously. But at Disney it was Fast Pass. So Fast Passes unfortunately don't seem like they're going to come back. You're going to use this new Genie Plus app. You're going to have to buy a ticket. So when you purchase your park tickets at Walt Disney World, you're going to pay an extra $15. At Disneyland in California, you're going to pay an extra $20. And there's a lot of caveats to it. So the announcement just came out today. We'll do a more in-depth discussion and give our opinions on it in a future episode. So just be ready for that news. Also recently announced the return of the dining plan. So Lance and I briefly talked about that in episode 1 on Food and Wine Festival, and they finally confirmed that it's coming back, but they haven't given a date yet. So again, as soon as we have a date, we'll post that on our Facebook page. We can talk about the dining plans in another episode too. No word on Tables in Wonderland yet. So if you're unfamiliar with what the Tables in Wonderland card is, it's basically a card. I think it used to be like $150. You paid for this card and it would give you 20% off, if I'm not mistaken, on your meals at the various Disney restaurants. And that included a discount on alcoholic beverages too, which usually you don't get a discount on alcohol. But Tables in Wonderland card actually gave you that. So if you're like me and my family, we love to eat at the sit-down restaurants. So that 20% discount really comes into play for us personally. We definitely get our $150 back and then some, so it works for us. But no word yet on when or if that will return. Also, new announcement in the last week or so. Annual passes. They finally confirmed that annual passes are going to come back, which is, yes, thumbs up, fantastic idea. Can't wait. So All that they've said is that it's before October 1st, which is when the 50th anniversary celebration kicks off. So as soon as there's a date, again, we'll post that on our Facebook page. So be ready for that news. And buffets. So again, another thing that disappeared when the pandemic hit and the parks reopened. All the buffets went away. Any restaurant like Crystal Palace and Magic Kingdom, or the flurry of others that were buffet type style dinners
Chef
or
Mickey,
meals.
Acker-Shoes.
Yep. 1900 Park Fair, anything that was buffet, gone. And basically what they did was they turned those buffet type servings into family style. So if basically family style is whatever the entrees are and the sides, they're going to bring those out on really big plates. So let's just pretend for a second it's roast beef and mashed potatoes and green beans. They're going to bring them out on huge plates. And if you eat all the roast beef and you want more, you just tell your server, hey, can I have some more roast beef? And she's going to bring out another huge plate full of roast beef. That's family style. So so it was confirmed in the last few days that Boma's in Animal Kingdom Lodge is the first one that they're bringing the buffets back to. I've never personally eaten there, but I hear really good things about it. And also a possible early adopter of bringing the buffet back if Boma's is a success is Crystal Palace and Magic Kingdom. So I have eaten there. I do like the buffets. I've had the breakfast buffet at 1900 Park Fair. I've been at Chef Mickey's. I like it. There's a lot of people that don't like buffets. Maybe you don't even like buffets at restaurants around your hometown, but they are quite popular at Disney, and it looks like they're finally making a return. So that's pretty much it for the hot news that's come out of Disney in the last week. They're releasing updates and news fast and furious right now. I think that's because the 50th anniversary celebration is only just over 40 days away.
Days.
So there's
like 43 or something.
Yeah, so there's a lot of changes coming down the pipeline right now for Disney. So we'll do our best to keep everyone that's following us on Facebook and YouTube abreast of all the changes. So
yeah, guys, and yeah, if you want to be abreast of all these changes and know when we get the news and put it out to you guys, make sure you click that subscribe button and then turn on notifications, so as soon as we release new content, you get a notification. So that's great. That's awesome news, and I'm really looking forward to a lot of the 50th anniversary stuff. Season 2, which we're going to be working on after we finish up the food and wine season. We're going to talk about the 50th anniversary, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is great news, and I'm really excited. So, you know, this is all good news. I mean, yeah, I'm a little bummed about the, you know, having to pay for a fast pass, but, you know, at the same time, it's not expensive. You know, from what I was hearing, it was, you know, anywhere from like $15 to $20. They're already currently doing it in Disneyland. I believe they've always done it like that in Disneyland, but I will research that and, you know, put a little annotation if I am incorrect. But yeah, I mean, other places do it, you know, and other places, you know, Universal, Dorney Park, Great Adventure, Six Flags, etc. You know, they charge upwards of $50 to $200. So, you know, the price that Disney is proposing at, you know, $15 to $20 per day per guest, you know, pennies, really, when you think about it, compared to what you're paying for a Disney vacation. So, you know, this is all good news. This is all good stuff for Disney, and you know, I'm excited about it. But all right, guys. Well, hey, we appreciate everybody stopping by and you know, checking out the channel, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.